Hey guys, welcome to Billconch S8 channel. This video will show you how to set up the safe. We have two pairs of keys here. Please, we can use the keys to open the safe when it's not connected to any power. But please do not place the key inside the safe because you don't want to lock it inside the safe, right? You don't want to lose your key. Okay. Now inside you'll find a user manual, battery, power cable. When it's out of power, you can also use this USB-C cable to power the safe. And also bolts for fixing it on the wall. Let's take out the screwdrivers and take the batteries out. Let's install the battery. Make sure the polarity is correct. When it's correctly installed, you'll see the light and hear the welcome sound. Tighten the screw. Okay. Now the safe will lock itself. Okay. Let's put the key aside. Now let's set up. Before you set up any fingerprints or password, anybody's fingerprint can open the safe because it's in demonstration mode. So see, anyone's finger can open it.
Closing. Lock success.
Let's set the password first. Press and hold this button.
Please input administrator information.
The default password is 6 zeros. All zero, 6 zeros.
1. Password management.
Let's click 1 for password management.
Fingerprint. 1. Administrator
Let's
password
set admin password.
Please input new password.
Say, click enter.
Please input new password again.
Just repeat the password.
Enroll success.
Now your password is set. If you go back, no one can open your safe now.
Match fail. Please scan again.
See? Only type in the password.
Welcome.
It can only be opened by the password now.
Closing. Lock success.
Okay, now let's set up the fingerprint. Still the same. Press and hold this button.
Please input administrator information.
New admin password.
1.
Okay.
Password.
Let's go to number 2, fingerprint management, by pressing 2.
1. Add fingerprint. 2. Delete fingerprint.
Press 1 to add fingerprint.
1. Add administrator fingerprint.
We can add admin fingerprints or user fingerprints. Okay. Admin fingerprint can allow you to access the setting menu. So let's press 1.
Please scan fingerprint.
Let's press your fingerprint on the fingerprint scanner. Try to slightly move your finger to the left and right to make sure it captures the whole fingerprints.
Please scan again. Enroll success. 1.
Okay.
Add administrator.
Let's go back and try it. Let's try.
Welcome.
Okay. Always try it with another fingerprint. To make sure it locks it. All right, let's try this one.
Match fail.
Cool.
Please match fail. Please scan again. Welcome.
Yep. Just open up for a few times to let it learn your fingerprints, user habits. Okay. Okay, now still press and hold the setting button, and then we can scan the admin finger. It will go to the menu. We can if you wanted to reset it, right? If you wanted to reset it to give it somebody else, you can go to the setting, the system setting, button number 3.
1. Time setting.
Click number 2 for factory reset.
Do you want to factory reset?
Yes, by clicking enter.
Factory reset. Please wait. Success. 1.
Okay, now it's back to factory setting now, which means anybody's fingerprint can open the safe now.
Welcome.
See, doesn't even need to read the fingerprints. Okay, now this is all part of the settings on the safe. Now let's go to app settings. We have an app on Google App Store or Apple App Store. Let's download it and open it. Okay, allow the Bluetooth connection. Let's wake the safe up by pressing any key. Make sure it's light up. Click the search button. The first one appeared on the list should be our safe. It'll ask you for the connection passwords. So by default, the default passwords are going to be either 6 ones or 6 zeros. Depends on different batch. Different batch will have different passwords, so you can try both. Okay. In this case, we have already set it up, so I'll go for my own password. Click OK. And then you'll go into this page. You'll see the battery percentage. And we can access the setting here. Okay. And we can also do swipe and unlock, right? Swipe to unlock.
Welcome.
It's unlocked.
Closing. Lock success.
In the setting menu, we need to enter the admin password. If you didn't set it up, it's either 6 zeros or 6 ones. Okay. In here, you can modify the device name, manage the fingerprints, check the history, modify the passwords, right? And also the connection password. You can also select if you want it to ask for the connection password each time when you connect it to the Bluetooth, right? Usually it's switched off, but you can add it as a special feature, like secure feature. Okay, you can modify the name here. We can also add a fingerprint here. Okay. Let's say add fingerprints. Just click the plus button here. You can name it. Jack. Next. Click add fingerprint.
Please scan
You
fingerprint.
can scan your fingerprint on here. Right.
Please scan.
Make sure it captures your whole fingerprint.
Enroll success.
Okay, you can continue to add more or just click cancel to quit the fingerprint adding. Now you see there is another one here. Okay, there's a new one here. Okay, let's go back. Okay,